Now we'll talk about the AC generator. A generator converts kinetic energy into electrical energy. The AC generator consists of a rectangular coil that rotates in a magnetic field. Now, what happens if you rotate the coil at a steady rate? As it turns, the flux linkage of the coil constantly changes. And if we connect an ammeter, you would see that the pointer of the ammeter swings from side to side. What does this mean? This means that the alternating current is being induced. Now this graph shows how the size of the induced electromotive force changes as the coil rotates once in the magnetic field. One complete revolution of the coil gives one cycle of AC. Now the question is, how can we increase the size of the peak electromotive force? We must increase the rate of change of the flux linkage of the coil as it spins in the magnetic field, either by using a coil with more turns, or using a coil with larger cross-sectional area, or we can increase the strength of the magnetic field, or increase the frequency of rotation of the coil.